Hi everyone, today we're gonna talk about a very interesting topic. Now I'm seeing on the internet that people are confused that whether we should learn hand sketching or digital sketching for becoming a fashion designer. In this video, we're gonna talk about whether hand sketching is good or digital sketching. So first we'll talk about hand sketching. Pros and cons of hand sketching is you can just convey your emotions into the paper in fraction of second, and it is rough and it is understandable. On the other hand, digital sketching on Canva or Procreate or Illustrator will give you a professional look, but it is a time-taking process. It is more detailed than a hand sketching. My suggestion is to become a fashion designer, you need to know both more or less so that you can convey your emotions on the paper just like that. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my upcoming videos and you don't miss any of the videos which I'm gonna launch in due course of time. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.